There are some things in life that not everyone can experience, and driving an Aston Martin is one of them. Dodge, Ford, and Chevy have brought high horsepower to the masses by putting big engines in their SUVs and trucks, but it's not like the experience of driving an Aston Martin DB11. While the standard 528 horsepower twin-turbo V8 is thrilling, the powerful 630 horsepower twin-turbo V12 coupe is an even more glorious ride. Both engines sing beautifully and are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that powers the rear wheels. The DB11 sprints through the quarter mile in just 11.7 seconds and sounds great. The DB11 delivers its performance without sacrificing comfort. The glued and riveted aluminum chassis features suspension that won't crack teeth even at the hardest setting. Stitched seat patterns and rich leather add to the DB11 experience. While the infotainment screen is small and outdated, the DB11's striking design and exclusivity never gets old. The interior of each DB11 is plush and can be customized with a wide variety of colors and exotic materials. Still, we did notice some inconsistent panel fittings and switchgear that felt surprisingly cheap. Yet these issues are trivial compared to the otherwise exaggerated and heart-pounding experience of driving this car. Each model has leather upholstery, heated and electrically adjustable front seats, and passive entry. Heated steering wheel and ventilated front seats are offered. Inside the DB11 there isn't much room to stash small items except for the center console compartment that slides open to reveal cup holders and a handy tray.